Welcome back everyone, to another episode of Luso Learner. Today we have a video tailored for new students and beginners of the A1 level. Every phrase is followed by an English translation. We have subtitles, and the transcript is available in the comment section. We've tried to put extra emphasis on slowing down the conversation, and making sure the pronunciation is as clear as possible. Let us know in the comment section what you think of this video, and what kind of videos you'd like to see next.
Olá! Hoje vamos contar uma história sobre dia na praia.
Hello, today we're going to tell a story about a day at the beach.
Capítulo 1. Preparando-se para a praia.
Chapter 1. Getting ready for the beach.
Bom dia, João. Está dia lindo para ir à praia.
Good morning, John. It's a beautiful day to go to the beach.
Sim, Maria. Vamos preparar as nossas coisas.
Yes, Mary. Let's get our things ready.
Maria e João pegam as toalhas, protetor solar e óculos de sol.
Mary and John grab the towels, sunscreen, and sunglasses.
Capítulo 2. Na praia.
Chapter 2. At the beach.
Maria e João veem dois dos seus amigos, Ana e Pedro.
Mary and John see two of their friends, Anna and Pedro.
Eles aproximam-se e cumprimentam Ana e Pedro.
They approach and greet Anna and Pedro.
Olá, Maria. Olá, João.
Hello, Mary. Hi, John.
Olá. O que estão a fazer aqui?
Hello. What are you doing here?
Estamos na praia. Querem jogar com a bola?
We're at the beach. Do you want to play with the ball?
Eles jogam com a bola na areia.
They play with the ball in the sand.
Capítulo 3. Lanche.
Chapter 3. A snack.
Olá, amigos. Estão com fome?
Hello, friends. Are you hungry?
Sim, temos fome.
Yes, we're hungry.
O que temos para comer?
What do we have to eat?
Tenho gelados e sanduíches.
I have ice cream and sandwiches.
Todos comem gelados e sanduíches.
Everyone eats ice cream and sandwiches.
Capítulo 4. Hora de ir embora.
Chapter 4. Time to go home.
Foi dia divertido, mas está na hora de irmos embora.
It was a fun day, but it's time to go home.
Sim, está a ficar tarde.
Yes, it's getting late.
Maria e João arrumam as suas coisas e despedem-se dos amigos.
Mary and John pack up their things and say goodbye to their friends.
Adeus, Maria e João.
Goodbye, Mary and John.
Até à próxima.
See you next time.
Eles voltam para casa felizes, depois de dia maravilhoso na praia.
They go back home, happy, after a wonderful day at the beach. We really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Feel free to leave a comment with your video request. Happy learning, stay motivated, and see you next time.